Hey, what's up, YouTubers and dirt bike riders? I'm back, Dirt RDR 22, and I got a special package from China today. I don't know about all you guys, but when I ride, sometimes my bike ends up upside down. And it presents a problem, and lately the KTM oil cap has been giving me a lot of leakage problems. Hard enduro. I did a race on Saturday last week, and I lost a lot of oil out the cap. Started making a mess. I don't know if the cap's not seating right, sealing right, or what, but I started to get a little concerned. As you can see, I got the 3.5 or 3.2 gallon of Chirpy's tank on it. Sorry about that. Don't mind the duct tape. I had to hold my face mask on for race number 2 of the hard enduro. That's pretty fun. But my oil cap sits pretty clean right here. It comes on and off pretty easy. Pop it up. I started looking online, trying to figure out something to fix on it, like a new cap, new something. And I ran across this nice little CNC piece of machinery. Yeah. Look at that. It's even half the size of the oil cap. And the best part is, while it has a rubber cap inside, it's screw on, not the quick release quick connect that that one is. It's half the size of the cap, same opening, everything. It's got a nice little breather valve on it. So yeah, I'm gonna install that and see how it fits. Yeah, you guys are gonna want to crucify me, but this is how I'm doing my tank right now. I just want to get to that little bolt right there. Then it comes off and unclips. So it just twists off and pops back like that. And we got the opening. I'm gonna clean that up right quick. Alright, so right here you can see the size difference. Now this might actually be more pain in the butt to try to get to, but we'll see. So there I have it installed. I'm going to put it back together. Well, that's a lot cleaner, and a lot nicer, except for the stupid ridiculous duct tape.